I want you to get up. We're going to solve health and think about and have a plan for how you're going to apply this money.
We've been using Dan's resource for quite a few years, and we find it a really good resource. He always gives a really good overview of the material that you're about to study, so I use his little videos a lot. Breaks it down into all the syllabus points, and it's very well structured. The thing I like about his approach is it's slightly different. He's looking really at the reasons why you teach, rather than just focusing on HSC results, which I think we all focus on probably a little bit too much. It's given us a lot of good ideas on how to replan and how to really focus particularly on practical application, which is becoming more of a focus for the HSC, and hoping that kids can take away more from our lessons rather than having to spend a lot of time revising just for HSC questions. So yeah, food's been great today. It's been a wonderful in-service, so yeah, really happy. So thanks, Dan.